for the past 2 years of me detailing. The month of May has been a very, very slow month. And when I mean slow, for the last 2 years, in the month of May, I've detailed 0 cars. But this year, I made it my business to make sure that I do at least one vehicle. So I just started advertising interior only details, and the phone started ringing. This is a Infiniti Qx80 interior only detail. Looks like my advertising is paying off. And the reason why I haven't detailed any vehicles in the month of May, down here in Houston, it rains every day in the month of May. When I say every day, I mean every day. So people don't want to pay to get their vehicles detailed, but it will pay for interior detail, I see. On this Lexus Gs 350, customer wanted a outside basic wash and a diamond interior detail. As you can see, it is a smoker's vehicle, so I had an opportunity to use the deodorizer I got from the chemist down here to neutralize all the smoke smells. I'm telling you guys, it works. Interior detail is complete. Give y'all a walk around. Everything clean, as you can see. Anytime you see the lines and the mats, I mean I shampooed it. Well, that's my way of showing that I shampooed it. I done started the dang truck. This customer here is it's a longtime customer. She came around when I first started the business. So I've been maintaining her vehicle for a couple of years now. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what I came to do. End results: wash, clay, wax. You can see got them Texas T on them tires, man. But yeah, came out nice. I shampooed the interior carpets, wiped down everything, conditioned the leather, and I was out the door. But I didn't. Oh, no. Maintenance wash. This client, I just made a video maybe a month ago and I detailed this vehicle. Now I have him on my maintenance schedule. We try to do it every 2 weeks depending on the rain, but once a month for sure. Rain, sleet, snow, he say. Once a month. Yeah, man. I see that Texas T. Tires still look like they wet, huh? But nah, it's just a maintenance wash. He enjoy my work. I enjoy detailing this truck. You know what it is. One of my best friends' son graduated. It was a nice celebration. Already, man. Appreciate y'all for the love and support. Already.